Okay, Chris Johnson back here with another fun trick. This is described in the book as what's called the hot rod force. It's basically a way to do a prediction. Now, I am going to make a prediction, and then I'm going to show you my tabletop. I'm going to show you my tabletop because we need to have a lot of objects in a row in order to do this trick. So, I'm writing my prediction right now, and I'm going to fold my prediction into quarters. I'm going to place it onto my tabletop, and then I'm going to place my camera in such a way that you can see my tabletop, and I will go through how this works and why it's a way to have a prediction and know what the outcome of something is going to be for a trick and amaze your friends. And it also serves as a way to learn how to do an even more effective way of forcing something. And forcing something, again, is a way of having somebody pick something, but you control it in such a way that they think they have a free choice, but you're actually controlling it and making sure they pick what you want them to pick. Let me show you the tabletop now, and I'll walk you through this. This is really okay. So now here's my tabletop. I've got 6 objects here. I've got a die, a marker, a pair of scissors, a balloon, Scotch tape, and a dollar bill. And I also have that prediction that I wrote when the camera was facing me a few moments ago. It's the same one. I didn't change it. So if you were doing this on Zoom and people were watching you, you would ask somebody to give you a number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Let's pretend the person picks 3. You would say, okay, great, 1, 2, 3. Landed on scissors. Well, my prediction that I wrote a few moments ago says scissors on it. Now that's pretty cool. Now it looks really fair and really magical. But what if they picked a different number? What if they picked 4? You would say this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you still land on the scissors. In fact, I'll leave that open right now. What makes this work is you're not telling the person before they pick the number how you're going to use that number. You're not telling them if you're going to count. You're not telling them if you're going to spell the number. You're not telling them what direction you're going to start counting from. You're not stating all the rules so that you can make the rules up as you go along. This is something called forcing, again, in magic and mind reading. So let's pretend the person you asked picked number 1. You would spell it this time from this side, O-N-E. You still land on scissors. And if they pick 2, you would also spell from that end, T-W-O. If they pick 5, you would say F-I-V-E. If they pick 6, you spell from this end, S-I-X. Always landing on scissors. And of course, we already covered 3, 1, 2, 3, or 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the ones that look the most fair. So you can use this with any 6 objects, and you just pick whatever object you want to be in the 3rd position or the 4th position. Write it down on a piece of paper, fold it up so everybody can see it, and whatever number they give you, you either count to it or you spell it. O-N-E for 1, T-W-O for 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, opposite side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, F-I-V-E, 6, S-I-X. That's it. It's a really fun thing you can do with any 6 objects and have some fun with that.